Hey guys, okay, so this screencast is going to be about adding and organizing data in cells while you're in Sheets or Excel spreadsheet. Um, so what I did is I just opened up a copy of the benchmark analysis template. I'm not sure if this is the one you used this year or if it's something you used last year, but I just opened it up, put a couple fake IDs and fake names in it just to show you. So any column or row can be resized at any point. So what you can do is move this lever back and forth. You can also, if it works, you can double click it and it'll take it to whatever size all of these things are. If you want it to be bigger, you can move it out. This little drop down for the column will actually allow you to insert one to the right or the left. So if I want one to the right, I can insert one here. I can always delete it if I don't want it. As you can see, it says clear column. So if I want to clear all the things in it, I can. I can hide it, which means it doesn't get deleted. It just goes away and you can't see it. And then I can resize it. So resizing it, right now it's the size of 82. So if I wanted it to be bigger, I could do 100. You could also fit it to data here. And then 100 will make it a little bit bigger. If I want to do the same thing here, I could resize it to 100, and it'll be that large. The other thing I saw, you can sort it by A to Z or Z to A. So if you wanted whatever you put in here to be in alphabetical order, so last name, first name, you could hit this arrow and sort them from alphabetical order and they will move. Be careful if you have stuff over here. I'm not sure if sorting just this column changes all of these, so just be careful with that when you're doing it. Obviously, you can cut, copy, paste, all that kind of stuff. You can also resize the column. So if you highlight a row. If you highlight a whole row, I right-click it. I can insert one above or below. I can go back and I can always delete that or clear it. And I can resize. I can actually highlight and drag, and I could resize, right-click, and resize all of these rows. I could delete all of these rows. I could insert three above or below. So if I wanted to resize all of these rows, let's say I want them to be size 50, and I can resize them that big. Another thing I use when I'm doing this is if I resize a row, this little vertical line up here will allow you to position the text in the middle, at the bottom, or at the top. So depending upon what you'd like, if you'd like it centered, you can do it that way. If you like it at the bottom, you can have it that way. And then this text wrapping will actually allow you, if you're writing a lot. So I know this is happening with standards. So if I was writing a bunch with my standards, I would comma, now, as you can see, once I'm done, it gets hidden behind there. I can double click and resize it, but if you don't want all your standards to be that long, what you can do is highlight these and text wrap them, and they will, let me do that. Go back there. And they will literally go on top of each other. They will wrap around. So you can actually highlight the entire standards row, hit text wrap, and then from now on, everything you write will be wrapped. You can do that with any row or any column that you'd like. Another thing that you can do, some of the rows you can change the color if you wanted to fill the color in. So if you wanted a light blue, I know some of the benchmark data you have every other, and it's kind of colored in. So if you wanted to, you could do something like that if you wanted to color them in. You can also put grid lines around them. So the borders, if I wanted them around every single one, or if I just wanted the middle, but not the outside, you can do that. It could be none, just the outside. You can do the thickness of it here, so there's no borders. And if you want it to be a dotted line, straight line, that kind of stuff. This is also, the borders here. That is the color of the line, not the thickness. I apologize. So it's the color of the border. Copy and pasting is the same as before. Remember, if you're copying a couple things and you paste it, it's going to be all three of those. So if you copy these and put them here. It's going to go to all three, so just be aware of that when you're moving things around. I think that might be it for this. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Okay, bye.